Where is Jack off to? This time, Jack's off to SeaWorld in San Diego to see some amazing marine animals up close. Some people absolutely enjoy seeing exhibits and shows featuring creatures we hardly encounter in life. Others question the ethics and whether keeping these animals in captivity is really for the sake of education and conservation, or is it to fatten the wallets of those who run these organizations? If you want to see marine animals up close without having to think about any controversies surrounding aquatic theme parks like SeaWorld, you can drive a few miles north to La Jolla, where if you're lucky, you just might see some marvelous creatures wandering around.